Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, looks awkward doing quoting fingers, Valvo. And today, I want to get real for a second. Real deep in the subject of triangles, specifically the Pythagorean theorem. Come on! Before you can learn about the Pythagorean theorem, we first need some terminology. Any right triangle has two legs and a hypotenuse. The two legs are the sides connected to the right angle, the ones that look like legs here, and the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. Note that the hypotenuse is always longer than the two legs. Why? Well, imagine we have a right triangle with these two legs here. Recall the two legs have a right angle between them. Notice if I try to attach a green hypotenuse shorter than this vertical leg, even a teeny bit shorter, no matter how I angle it, it will never reach the base.